Alright guys, good morning and welcome to another Alpha Dad FX market analysis. Today we're going to go over what we have available to trade for today. We're coming from a few days of, at least for me, no trading. I was in an OCR camp, as most of you know. Very hard camp, very tough, but a huge opportunity for growth. So I really enjoyed it. Alright, let's start here. Let's go. We start, as always, with the economic calendar. We have a very busy calendar for today. CPI is a very strong report. It usually creates a lot of volatility, even more when it comes far from the forecast. So we're going to be very cautious and we're going to trade whatever we have available until 2:30 p.m. Actually, until 2 p.m. That's where we're going to close our positions if it's USD related. If it's not, we're going to adjust our stop to break even if we're in profit. All right, so we have this. I'm not going to take a screen cap of this. I'm just going to put, we have 11 a.m. German economic sentiment and German and no, let's put 30 p.m. US CPI. CPI. Okay, now we're moving to heat map. Let's see what we have today. All right. Now I want you to tell me what you see. I'm not going to say absolutely anything until I have a clear outlook from you guys. Okay. Yes, exactly. We have GBP and CHF relatively strong. What else? Gold, as usual. Yeah, exactly. So USD is mixed. USD is a currency that we don't want to be trading today. So let's look at the strongest. As currencies, we have GBP and CHF, right? GBP, CHF. And the weakest could be AUD, and which one else? NZD, right. So AUD is weak against all currencies. NZD is against all except AUD. So the weakest of both of the two is the AUD, right? The Aussie. Okay, let's move forward to Dixie analysis. Dollar index. Let's go here. Let's put this. Let's go to the 16-hour. First, let's check. Okay, so we had this range. This was news, and we see a rejection candle right here. So I'm still bearish. And this shooting star candle. Even if we have this week, this is a shooting star. So I'm expecting the next few candles at least until this demand zone. I'm expecting a time frame demand there. Very cheap within this range, right? So I'm expecting at least this move, right, before CPI. But as we said, we're not going to be trading the USD, but it's good to bear that in mind, that we can expect the dollar to fall for the next few hours. So we're going to put here bearish order flow in the very short term. No trading due to CPI coming out at 2:30 p.m. Order flow, there we go. Then, now I'm going to check the technical outlook of the pairs that we can form here, right? As usual. So let's start with GBP AUD, then GBP NCD, then CHF AUD, then AUD CHF, NCD CHF. All right? So we're looking basically to long these two and to short these two. Let's move on. Day trading. All right. So what will be the first one? Let's check. Why is this not working? There we go. GBP AUD. All right. GBP AUD. GBP USD. GBP AUD. Let's go. So what are we looking for? We're looking for a bullish market structure. Do we have one? Yes. We were with a bearish market structure, then consolidation, breakout of consolidation of this range, right? We have this clear range right here with some variation, but it was here. This was a week, right? And now we have a breakout to the upside. Sorry. So what are we going to do now? We're going to be looking for a high quality demand zone in order to join this up move. what do we have on the 1 hour? So we haven't had yet a close above this level. I want to see this candle that we have 8 minutes still ahead of us to close above. Once we close above, then we can move on to looking for a long, right? And where would that long be? So we have these two. We have this demand zone, right? This one. And we have also this one. And let's see how many. 39 pips. Okay, it's a long way. So we can use definitely the upper zone. We don't have Big Brother coverage. We don't have the upper, the higher time frame coverage in neither of both. But usually when we come out of a range, what price does is to break, retest, and move and continue the move in the same direction. So we're gonna be looking for this retest. I'm gonna leave this potential position here, but I'm not confirming it yet, okay? Because I want to see the other pairs. So if we would trade this position, this would be it. Okay, this would be it. Now let's move on to GBP NCD. Let's see this chart. Let's go to the daily. Okay, clearly in an uptrend. Kind of a messy chart, right? We do have a bullish structure, right? High, low, high, higher, low. So we're gonna be doing a higher high, ideally break closing above this high to retest higher low and then continue higher. So where should we be looking for a demand zone? Right around here. So let's go to the 1 hour. What do we have? We have too much basing. Ah, what a messy chart, man. This is a messy chart, too many wicks. So for me to like this trade, it will be this demand zone. Yeah, that one. Because then we have like drop, base, rally, right? So this would be. And let me check what it would look like in matters of. So it would be a 70 pip stop. With 25, 36 pip. Take profit. Okay, we have that one, right? Still, wait, just a mental note for all of you guys. Still want to see the close above, right? Remember that. I want to see a close above. No, I actually don't want to see a close above. Because it is on our way to that high. So it's okay. Actually, it's okay. Actually, guys. No, that's also basing. Just there and there we go. That's gonna be our trade. Okay, we have those two. Nothing confirmed yet. All right, nothing confirmed. Now we're gonna see AUD CHF. First, let's put GBPAUD, and GBPNCD. Those are two potential orders. This one is swing. This is swing, so we shouldn't be here. Swing. I'm gonna put it there. That's swing. Okay. And now AUD CHF. We're looking to short this. All right, because if you remember, we have that CHF is the strongest and AUD and NCD are weakest, right? So we are looking to short AUD CHF or NCD CHF. Now, let's go back to the chart and check. Question, guys, does this look like a bearish market structure? No, right? It doesn't. So why would we looking to short it? Even if you say, okay, you have here a break to the downside, right? This low was broken, and we could expect something like now a retest and moving down, right? It will be around here. This is where we would be looking for super. Let's see the daily first. Again, we're moving up. 16 hours. Up. Low not broken. 4 hours. Up. low not broken. So we have a bullish market structure, guys. I'm not shorting in a bullish market structure, so we move on to AUD, no, NCD-CHF. NCD-CHF. What do we have here? Bullish market structure too. Totally discarded. We are not looking to trade against the higher time frame trend, so lower probabilities, makes no sense. Okay, so we're going to be staying with GBP-NCD. Let's check it. GBP-NCD, which I do like. I do like because the next target will be here and our take profit is below that. Oh, GBP-AUD, let's check. This one too. This one too. Now, GBP-NCD. Remember, we don't trade both. Why? Because it would be a double exposure. GBP, NCD, and GBP AUD, right? NCD and AUD are highly correlated. So if we would take at least, or you risk half hour in each, or you go for one, right? So question for you guys. What would be the key factor in order to decide? We have similar market structures. We have a similar relative strength in both. What would be the key factor in order to decide which would be the trade, the one that the pair that we finally choose to trade? Okay. Yeah. Okay, so basically it would be the easiest way is to check AUD and NCD, right? And you see which one is stronger. If you're looking to long both, right? Which one would you be longing? Would prefer to long? The weakest or the strongest? The strongest, right? So let's check here. What is happening at the moment? Who's winning the battle? Who's winning the battle? Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So which one's strong? AUD or NCD? Okay, so if AUD NCD is falling, it means that or AUD is weakening or NCD is strengthening, or both. So the right question would be that NCD is the strongest, right? But NCD is the strongest, right? So if NCD is the strongest and we are looking to short both of them, not to long both of them, right? We're looking to short both of them because what we would be longing would be the GBP, right? So if we're looking to short both of them, which one are we going to choose? The stronger or the weakest? The weakest. So if NCD is the one stronger, then AUD is the weakest. So we're going to look for GBP AUD to go long, right? We have a clear demand zone on the 15. On the 1 hour, we don't have any coverage. We have this high. Next high is within range of our take profit. So this is going to be our trade, guys. This is our highest probability trade. Let me put it like a little bit here and here. And this one is our trade. Take. And today's trade is GBP AUD. No, that's swing trading. This one. GBP AUD order. Boom. There you go. We have a long position. Entry price 2.06599. Stop loss 2.06407. Take profit 2.06985. And that's it, guys. That's our trade of the day. Later today, I'm gonna be doing the call of swing trading with the last week trades updates and this week's potential opportunities. All right. Okay, guys. Have a great one. Remember, be an alpha at everything you do. Trade your plan and stay safe. Bye bye.